Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodized salt. Iodine is a vital nutrient your body needs for healthy thyroid function, which impacts metabolism and growth. Without enough iodine, you could face serious health issues like goiter or developmental delays. Making your own iodized salt is a straightforward way to ensure you and your family get this crucial mineral. To begin, gather your main ingredients: plain, uniodized salt and a small amount of potassium iodide powder. For every kilogram of salt, you'll want to add approximately 50 to 100 milligrams of potassium iodide. You'll also need a small amount of distilled water to help dissolve the iodide, ensuring it spreads evenly throughout your salt. First, dissolve your measured potassium iodide in just enough distilled water to create a concentrated solution. Next, using a fine mist sprayer, apply this solution evenly over your plain salt. After spraying, mix the salt very thoroughly, perhaps by stirring or shaking, to ensure the iodine is distributed consistently. Finally, let the salt air dry completely before moving to storage. Proper storage is key to maintaining the iodine content. Always store your homemade iodized salt in an airtight, opaque container to protect it from light and moisture. Keep it in a cool, dry place. While effective, iodine can degrade over time, so for optimal benefit, aim to use your iodized salt within about 6 months of preparation. Enjoy your fortified salt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.